Hello everyone, my name is Cyril and my metric numbers is E2382701. And today I will present my research project title is Evaluating Public Attitude Toward Plastic Waste Reduction Policy in Kota Bharu. Let's begin with the introduction. Plastic waste is a serious issue in Malaysia, and public attitude play a key role in addressing it. In my study, we found that behavior is influenced by knowledge, age, and social challenges. However, despite increasing awareness, weak law and minimum enforcement to have led to low action on the ground. The main objective of this research is to measure public awareness and identify the behavioral factors that affect plastic waste reducing in Kota Bharu. My scope focuses on households in Kota Bharu, especially looking at responsive to plastic bin policy. This research is significant because it helps tailor local waste reduction campaign that suit the unique demographic and cultural makeup of the area, which combine both international and urban lifestyle. And my study area of this mini project is Kota Bharu, and it's a capital of Kelantan. Next, let's look at our literature review. First, the role play of social media and NGO is crucial. These platforms have successfully influenced public behavior and increase participate in recycling campaign. Second is the policy implementation and public reception in Malaysia have been challenging. For example, the No Plastic Bag Day campaign raised awareness but lacked proper enforcement and faced resistance. Third is socio-demographic influence, such as age, education, and income shape people's behavior. To be effective, public plastic reduction effort must be tailored to deserve population segment. Fourth is the food hawker. Despite being aware of plastic issue, face barriers like cost, poor enforcement, and fear of losing customers. Targeted programs are needed to support behavior change in this group. The last one is public awareness, and plastic reducing. A study conducted in Kota Bharu assessed public knowledge and practice related to recycling. This study highlights a significant relationship between demographic background and recycling behavior, suggesting that continued education, especially from a young age, is a crucial and enhances recycle participation. Next, let's move to our methodology. First method, I'm using the data collection approach and online, which is a Google form, and the face-to-face survey was conducted to access the knowledge, attitude, and practice of residents in Kota Bharu, age 18 years and older regarding plastic waste reduction policy. A structured questionnaire was developed based on the previous study and adapted to the local culture and religion context. The draft questionnaire was reviewed by the 3 experts and pilot tested with 20 respondents to improve, clarify, and relevance. The final questionnaire includes 30 multiple choice questions divided into 4 sections, which is socio-demographic information, knowledge about plastic pollution and related policy. Next one is attitude toward plastic waste reduction measure, and the last one is practice regarding plastic use and waste management. Next, the other method that I'm using is the data analysis. Descriptive statistics including frequency, percentage, mean, and the standard deviation, which calculated and summarized demographic characteristics and KPI level. For scoring, correct or positive answer was assigned 1 point, neutral, responsive 0.5 point, and incorrect or negative answer is 0 point. The qualitative data from open-ending questions were analyzed thematically and capture insight into culture and regulation factor affecting attitude toward plastic reduction. Next one is, let's go to my research flowchart. I have 11 steps. First, I have to research, design and planning. Second one is development of structural questionnaire. Third is expert review and pilot tester, which is 20 respondent. 4 is survey distribution online or face-to-face in Kota Bharu. 5th is snowball sampling and data collection in between that 5 weeks. 6 is data cleaning and coding using the SPSS. 7 is descriptive statistical analysis, which is frequencies, means and SD. 8 is infrared analysis. 9 is thematic analysis of open-ending responsive. 10 is interpretation of finding, and the last one is report writing and submission. This is my Gantt chart and milestone. As we can see here, this is a Gantt chart of the evaluating public attitude toward plastic waste reducing policy in Kota Bharu. And this is my milestone. I have a milestone from week 1 until the end of the week 5. First one, in the first week, I have to research, design and approach a tool validate. Second week, I have to all field data collecting in Kota Bharu. And week 3 is data entering and cleaning complete. Week 4 is the full data analysis done, SPSS. And the final week is a final report and journal article completed and submitted. Next one is the research budget. This is my total budget by doing this research. And this is my references. The references I get from is the study on public awareness toward recycling activity in Kota Bharu, Kelantan, Malaysia. Second one is from Edzins I 1991, the theory and planner behavior, organization, behavior and human decision processes. And this is all continue that I'm searching and I refer to. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.